June 7th, 2008 was the greatest storm chase of my life. I woke up in my own bed, chased a supercell that produced numerous large, highly visible tornadoes, and was home again at the end of the day, though I didn't sleep a wink that night. In the moment, it's hard to realize the craziness of what you're experiencing, but 15 years later, and I'm still chasing the high from this one. First, a little context is needed. The period from late May into early June was one of the busiest periods for supercells and tornadoes from the plains into the Midwest over the last 20 years. By the 7th of June, I'd spent almost the entire previous 2 weeks on the road making long drives back and forth from the plains to Illinois. I was so worn down by the 7th that I passed on an invite to ride along with my friends and chase a moderate risk across Iowa and Minnesota. June 7th, 2008 was a down day for me when I woke up to thunderstorms in Urbana that morning. I enjoyed the early afternoon Cubs game on TV before deciding to check on my buddies in Iowa and see how their chase was going. That was when I noticed a residual boundary left over from morning thunderstorms that may provide a focus for severe storms in northern Illinois, away from the higher risk out west. Having had a good night's sleep and a lazy afternoon, my spry 21-year-old body was ready to go. My college girlfriend was over, and I told her she was welcome to jump in and come along for what I expected to be a pretty simple out and back to go check on a local severe storm. We hopped in the car and drove right up to the craziest storm I have ever seen. The final context necessary here is surrounding my gear and the annoying high-pitched beeping that is rampant throughout this video. Remember, I wasn't planning to chase this day. As we approached the storm, I pulled out my video camera to see the battery was completely dead. So was my laptop, needed for GPS tracking and mobile radar data in the pre-smartphone days. I had a power inverter that was on its way out, and when it was unable to pull enough power, it would beep. With the best storm of my life in front of me, I had to keep my video camera plugged into the power inverter, meaning I couldn't tripod and steady the video. Not expected to be chasing today, and now facing a rapidly escalating situation with a car full of dead batteries, the first few minutes of the video were quite shaky and hard to digest, but we quickly settled into a flow and documented numerous large tornadoes as this storm entered the southern suburbs of the Chicago metro. The video begins as we approach the supercell near Wilmington, Illinois, with a rapidly developing tornado.
Okay, stop sign. Here, move it so it doesn't beep, if you can. You might have to hold it forward.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. But it might be down right now. It was really close. Strong rising motion. There's a tornado. It's definitely down. Definitely, and it could be strong. Look at it. Tornado on the ground. Sorry.
I don't think it's something.
You might not be able to. Okay, hold on. Big tornado. I'm gonna get out really quick.
Okay.
Large tornado. Can you push it, move it around?
I got it.
Okay.
It's not making it anymore.
My lens is fogging up. Hold on. Oh no, it's hitting stuff. Power flashes. What's that?
Take a picture of that tornado?
Yeah. Don't head this. Go the other way.
Go the other way?
Yeah. Near Wilmington. This is big. Let's scooch up a little bit. Just gonna get on the other side of these trees. And actually, you know what? We better stop right here. It's gonna pass right in front of us.
There's cars coming.
Hold that again.
Yeah.
It's hitting stuff. gonna cross the road right in front of us. You can get out if you want, unless you're... Okay. Thanks. Here comes the RFD. About to cross the road. Okay, let's move.
Just left the whole thing. It's working. It's been beeping.
I know, it's not getting enough power. But my camera's gonna die if I don't leave it plugged in. Sorry if it's annoying, I'm really sorry.
It's not annoying, I just don't want to miss it.
Ridiculous. Thanks. Might be lifting. Wow, it just threw something through the air. That's like a car or something, it just threw it. This is ridiculous. Violent tornado, easily. If it hit anything, it's violent. Oh, sorry about that. You can take it out now if you want. Just pull it out. Still down. Oh, there it goes. See it? Sorry. Just pull it out.
You want me to zoom in or no?
Zoom in as much as you're comfortable without it being too shaky. Suit your judgment. Got it?
Yep.
It's getting a little bit smaller. another mile. Hold on, excuse me. Yeah, it's multiple vortex.
I lost it.
Oh man.
Did you want to tape it?
Not yet. Keep to it. Getting above the windshield now.
It's right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Reaching
Wanna make
fast
sure-
motions.
Yeah, I want to make sure I'm saving the right thing.
Wow. Might be weakening. And strong RFD. You can stop recording if you want. Thank you. Oh, new tornado. Way down. Another large one. Gotta get north. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Near Wilton Center, Illinois. Huge tornado. Stop right here. I'm not gonna move close to it. Jared, you can read it if you want. Tell me what this is.
Send in frequent reports from Jared.
You guys should stop.
Scott said stop.
Move up a little bit. I don't believe it. Yeah. Almost in like video and stuff. What? Yeah, we're getting near it. We're getting towards the southern suburbs.
Yeah, because I was gonna say LaGrange and Juliet and stuff.
Yeah, this is bad. This is really bad. wake that up. If you want to hear a tornado, you can step out. It's kind of quiet. Listen very quietly. This is the town of Andres up ahead of us. We gotta move. Yeah. Yeah, it's heading right into that area, the Manhattan, Frankfurt area. I'm sorry, my laptop just died. I can't tell you my exact GPS location, but I'm 2 miles east of Andres. The tornado is about 5 miles to my north. Yeah, I can, but I'm driving right now, so I can only do a little bit. I gotta take control of the car. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Alright, right now I can't give you an exact location. My laptop just died, but I'm about 3 miles east of Andres, Illinois, a small town. Right now, about 2 miles to my northeast, I've got a large destructive tornado on the ground. This storm has been putting down large tornadoes for the last probably 45 minutes. These are not just your everyday brief touchdown. If you're in the path of this storm, I would be in the basement right now. I haven't seen it hit a lot of structures, but it has taken out a few structures. It's a strong tornado. It's going between multiple vortex stage to one solid, very wide tornado. Right now, it's just a big, large tornado on the ground. It's hitting structures right now. There is debris in the air. 4 miles northeast of Andres, Illinois. It's a small town. Like I said, my GPS has died right now. I'm just kind of following the highways and county roads right now, so I can't give you a precisely pinpointed location. I'll do my best as soon as I come up to something recognizable. Yeah. There's only one supercell out there last I saw, so it's with that storm. Right now it's still trucking along. I don't see any signs that this tornado is going to let up anytime soon. Is it focusing already?
Yeah. The battery on this is gonna go.
It's fine right now. It's right up here.
Okay.
It's hitting stuff. Thanks. I'll say 88th Avenue will be closed. Thanks. You're doing great. It's roping out, I think. The mezzo's occluding. It's going away. Although look right here though. Can I let you go though so I can call in a report? Alrighty, thank you. Bye-bye. Storm is absolutely going crazy. We have a new mezzo just formed and it's already 15 seconds, a large tornado. I don't know how much closer we can get. We're going into the city. Directly over Interstate 57. Still a large tornado.
Alright, yeah, because it's fairly big. It's really big.
Large tornado ahead of us. We're in Monique,
No, it's headed
Illinois,
towards that.
near the southern Chicago suburbs.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I just know that like when I drive home, I pass Monique and it's pretty close to Darien. So, well, it's kind of, I don't know, it's not like insanely close, but it's close enough. She should. Evelyn just called her over the last week, so go ahead and try that if you want to. Alright. Bye.
Yeah, we might have a new one forming right over here. I think they have the road blocked up here, which is good. Yeah, I'm almost certain there's a new one forming right over here, if not already. Large tornado. It's wrapping in rain. I think we have a new area right over here though.
Should I just close this laptop?
Yeah, if you want. It's not going to turn on again. My stupid inverter.
My phone won't turn on at all. It doesn't even really get to the start of it.
Let's see. Yeah, right over here, probably gonna get a new one. I have no idea where we even are. And how long we'll be able to keep up with this. There's the old tornado. And the new mezzo for our northeast. Yeah, it's gonna be all over the news. I know. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in a... Yeah, this is a damage path of some kind. I don't know if it's RFD or tornado related. It's not too extensive, but I have pieces of buildings in it. It was quite a surprise. I don't even know if they had a tornado watch in this area. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about.
Should've got that?
What just happened?
The semi hit the lines because the lines were going low because that pole's bent. Did you get that or no?
No. We're screwed now.
Yeah, are we stuck here?
Might be. I don't want to drive over that first. This car is being my test.
Yeah. I thought I was gonna get hit because the thing hit your windshield right there.
Yeah, he said go back.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I lost the page. Okay, I found it again.
To conclude this video, I thought I'd go over the survey map from the June 7th, 2008 tornado outbreak and point out the tornadoes in this video. So here we've got the map of tornado tracks and intensities from the National Weather Service office in Chicago. All 4 of the tornadoes that I chased on June 7th, 2008 were rated EF2. Adrenaline, low cloud bases, and a bit of shock pivoting quickly from no chase to chasing significant tornadoes excited me into using the V word a few times early in this video, or the word violent. Truth be told, a couple of the tornadoes did appear to have stronger than EF2 potential at times, but luckily the strongest tornadoes threaded the needle between more densely populated areas and caused minimal damage. The fact that I was able to observe numerous large and apparently strong tornadoes while not having to witness a mass casualty event made this chase even more unique. The first tornado I intercepted was the Essex Wilmington EF2, which was already in progress when I pulled up. This tornado was on the ground for 13.6 miles, had a max width of 200 yards, and was down for 28 minutes. The Oh My God near Wilton Center, Illinois huge tornado was also rated EF2, with a path length of 1.8 miles, a max width of 400 yards, and was on the ground for just 3 minutes. The Monet EF2 raised the anxiety in the car as we began approaching more densely populated areas on the southwest side of Chicago's suburbs. The tornado was on the ground for 3.7 miles with a max width of 150 yards and was on the ground for 13 minutes. Finally, the Richton Park Forest EF2 tornado touched down to my distant north before quickly crossing I-57, flipping numerous vehicles, and moving into the suburbs. Running out of options to keep up with the tornado, we lost it as it wrapped in rain and moved into dense urban areas, effectively ending the chase. The supercell produced one more tornado in the suburb of Chicago Heights, causing EF1 damage. By this time, I was attempting to navigate my way home through road networks that were blocked up by tornado damage. Interstate 57 was blocked and shut down, as were many other major north-south highways. I don't know how I'll ever be able to top June 7th, 2008 when you consider all of the factors that made it special. It was a local chase within a couple hours of home. The storm produced large, highly visible tornadoes on a machine-like cadence, and thanks to a more obvious, higher-profile storm-chasing target in a neighboring state, I almost had this storm entirely to myself. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already done so, hit the like and subscribe buttons for me so you're tuned in for the next chase of a lifetime, if I'm ever so lucky.